of 1986.
Yesterday it dropped below 10, hovering at one time at $9.75.
30 years ago, the price of oil dropped almost 70% from the year before.
The price of North Sea oil has plummeted to a record low. Prices could fall to just $5 a barrel.
The once thriving North Sea oil sector was hit hard.
Dormant oil rigs around the coast of Scotland are the outward and visible sign of the slump in oil production.
Even the teenage scribblers couldn't raise a cheer. Remember him?
The estimation was we were going to get something like 80 new developments between now and the end of the century. Unfortunately, the vast majority of these are only economic at nearer $20 a barrel than $10 a barrel.
This depression has hit the southern states faster than any they've known before.
As the price dropped, even the Texan oil barons suffered.
This is the most frightening time that I've seen in my 29 years in the oil business.
Unless the pressure goes away as suddenly as it appeared, it's going to be a bad spring for borrowers.
And that's what's frightening investors and producers today. China is no longer consuming oil at the pace it was. The boom in shale means that the US is less reliant on imports, and Saudi Arabia refuses to cut back on output. So, the unanswered question is, how long will the recovery in the oil price take? Will it be quick, or will it take 20 years like it did last time?
I think in terms of price recovery to anything like $100 a barrel, that is, if ever, a very long way into the future, because one of the other key parallels with the situation that we've got at the moment is that technology in the form of US shale has once again proved able to commercialise a lot of hydrocarbon that was otherwise uncommercial, and that genie is not going back in the bottle.
One thing for sure is that all the time oil is becoming more expensive to get out of the ground, the producers must continue to invest in the future. Not much chance of that if they start racking up losses. Mickey Clark, BBC News.